The turkey shoot there, so I didn't have time. We were busy all day. So I didn't have time to get to the nice high level.
Do you think the city needs to protect the port and help save the port?
Sorry, I couldn't hear.
Do you think the city needs to do more to help save and protect the port?
Yes, yes. I'm part of that committee, and I believe anything we can do to help is a good thing.
You guys give the
money, Jerry. How about money?
Jerry, the city gives about $70,000 a year to the Cornwall Regional Art Gallery and doesn't own anything. Like the collection is sort of hot air. Here is a stone and mortar building that's serving the community. If it was given some help to that same equivalent, imagine what could be done here.
Yeah, I agree with you. I'll be looking into that. I haven't had a chance yet. I've been pretty busy, but I'll be looking to it.
Would you?
I think all historical buildings should be saved.
Yeah. Would you vote to, say, divert half the budget given to the Cornwall Regional Art Gallery to the Port Theatre?
A portion of it?
Yeah.
I can't make any decisions.
No, but in your decision, if it was up on the floor, would you vote to help subsidize the port?
Yes, I would.
All right, thank you very much.
I didn't say it came from the art gallery.
Yeah. Which your favorite Beatles song?
Been a hard day's night.
All right.